Okay. Good morning. Good morning to everyone. So, this is my reporting, guys. Solo reporting. Okay. Topic of my reporting is file IO operations. We have this a file IO 6-step process, the three data types of FSTEAM, mode flag, input and output stream. Okay, let's go to the file IO 6-step process. So the first step is include the header file fstream, istream, osstream, like the example right there. Um, include fstream. The second one is declare the file stream variables ifstream ifile input file as known as a input file, upstream ifile as a output 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 file. Associate Number three is associate the file variables with the input and output sources. ifile open file text. Open the input file. Then the next one is of o file dot open file dot text. Yep, open the output file. Number four is check the files open. If ifile is open and if o file is open. Number five is use the file stream variables with greater than or greater than less than or the input or output function of file variable literal manipulator of file variable literal manipulator. Number six is close the files. Then move to the next topic is the three data types of steam. FS steam. First is upstream. This one can be used to create or write a files. Upstream is the data type represents the output file stream and used to create files and to write information to files. Upstream, this class describes an output stream it used to create files and write data files. Next is ifstream. Can be used to read from files. ifstream file handling class that signifies the input file stream and is used for reading data from the file. And ifstream, this class describes an input stream. It's a program that reads data files and displays it. And the next one is combination of stream and ifstream. This class describes a file stream. In general, it has upstream and upstream capabilities. This means it can create files, write to files, and read data from files. And next, mode flag. iOS append mode all output to the file to be happened to the end. Append mode all output to that file to be to be append to that end. iOS open a file for output and move the read write control to the end of the file. Next, iOS in open a file for reading. Next, iOS out open a file for writing. Then next is trunk. If the file already exists, its content will be truncated before opening the file. And lastly, input and output stream. I/O, sequence of bytes, stream of bytes from the source of the destination. Okay. I/O, input or output, pronounce I/O. Yep. Describes any operation program or device that transfer to data to or from a computer. Input and output management involves controlling the flow of data into and out of a data processing complex. In an automated environment, you might want to change your approach to I/O activities that previously required manually intervention, such as tape and printer management. The concept the concept of input and output is the communication between an information processing system such as a computer and the outside world, possibly a human or another information processing system. Next, bytes. Bytes are usually characters unless program requires other types of information. Mhm. Next, stream. Stream, sequence of characters from source to destination. What does value stream mean? A value stream is the set of actions that add value to a customer. These actions are present from the initial concept through development all the way up to delivery. Managing these value streams from one to another is done through operational silos between teams and tools. An, oper- an operational value streams OVS a sequence of activities needed to deliver a product or services to a customer. Next, input and output stream. Sequence of characters from an input device to the computer. And output stream, sequence of character from the computer to an output device. Next is there, uh, there, there is a sample here of code. There's some example here. IOS stream using namespace std int main fstream my file like that, and one here. Meron pa isa. And that's all. That's the file IO operations. The file IO 6-step process, 3 data types of fsteam, fsteam, mode flag, input, and the output streams. And that's all. Thank you.